I'm very interested in this vitamin F. I don't know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I am T with Jackie P. I film videos every week. I film food, DIYs, reviews, and other random things. So if you like videos like that, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and we will be friends. So today's video is going to be about my Ipsy glam bag. I don't know why I said it weird like that. So I did get my glam bag in the mail, and I thought I'd sit down with you and show you what I got. My makeup is a little intense today. I just got out of work. I feel hungry. It's been a day. So where's the card? So this is the bag. This bag is so cute. I love the eyelashes. So we'll just dive into the bag. The first two items I'm not gonna be trying on camera, only because I just did a sheet mask last night and I don't wanna like overdo it with like putting stuff on my skin. Otherwise, I really was going to do one and I completely forgot my glam bag was coming today. So I did get two sheet masks and they're called velvet masks. So now I'm sad that I'm not trying this on camera. But I got one in vitamin F, which I don't want to sound like an idiot, but I didn't know there was a vitamin F. Like folic acid? I don't really... It's supposed to moisturize and balance, so it'll moisturize and control the oil, and it's also good for dry skin. And then I also got vitamin C mask, which is good for dull and pigmented skin, which I kind of have a dull complexion right now. Summer's kind of done me dirty on my skin, but vitamin C is really good for your skin for dulling those like dark pigmentation things, especially if you've been sitting out in the sun a lot. Also for just like sun damage in general, vitamin C is good for you. Next product, I just zipped the bag back up, is going to be a lip product, I think. Mini Lip Glaze, Tréstique, in the color English Rose. I don't know what this color is. It looks kind of dark-ish. I don't know if it's, oh, it's a crayon. We'll try it out. Oh, that's the palette. The palette smells like candy. It looks super velvet red on the viewfinder right now, but it's like pretty muted in person. I don't know why it's called a glaze. As a glaze, I feel like it would be more shiny. It doesn't feel sticky or anything, and it feels very like moisturizing. Personally, I feel like with my skin tone right now, I'm looking a little washed out, but I think with like darker skin tones maybe, or if you like this kind of look, I just feel like I look dead right now. I'm just not used to seeing myself with like darker lips, but overall the formula is really nice. I think there was two different colors that you could get. I think there was this one and some other color. I don't know what the other color looks like, but overall I do really like this. The next product is going to be this Nomad Around the World Light Infusion Powder in Positano Sunrise. It's buttery, super blendable, blushing highlighter in shimmering soft peach shade with multi-dimensional prismatic topaz pearl finish, free of parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil. That's a lot of claims. Oh, I don't even have a brush. What if this is loose powder? Oh. So I've gotten a highlighter from them before. I thought for some reason it was gonna come in a different package, but it's in that tiny little eyeshadow style package. And that's definitely a blush color. It's just like this corally pink color. It's really pretty for a blush. I was expecting a highlighter, so I'll just tap it in here. Oh, that got on there a lot. I wasn't expecting that, considering the highlighter that I used from them. Nothing came off. So just tap that right off and hello? Oh, there it is. Okay, let's do that. It definitely... I'm gonna try this side as a highlight. Okay, so verdict is in. I would not use this as a blush. It's just too highlighty, I guess, for a blush. I have some texture on my cheeks and it's really emphasizing it. But as a highlighter on this side, it looks really nice considering like how corally it is in here. It doesn't even look like that on my skin. The next two products that I got are going to be this Katherine Natural Cosmetics Coffee Talk Espresso eyeshadow, and I can't open it. And it's just this like brown color. I don't think this will go on my eyes, but we'll see. And then I got this Luxie brush, and it's the Harley Quinn collection. It's the 110 brush. I believe this is like a dense eyeshadow brush, or it looks kind of like a stippling concealer brush, honestly. But it's Harley Quinn, so it's got the red and black, and it says good night on there. Okay, this is a cute brush, especially if you like Harley Quinn. I didn't even know they had this collection. So it's a good matte brown color, and we'll just kind of put it on the outer crease. Well, it's doing something. It's definitely making it darker. This brush did a good job of picking up a lot and just kind of evenly putting it on the outer corners. So that is all that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. If you got any similar products to me, let me know in the comments down below. And if you got anything different, let me know. I just really like knowing what people get in their bags. That was all for this video. If you guys like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Something just landed on my leg and it felt like a spider. It was a hair.